Mwah. Welcome to The Key of Beautiful Makeup, a new series created by me, Mickie Hanson. This is a LEOPARA makeup lights unboxing video. So this is how it came. I love when packages come with the handwritten notes from the owners. Very nice touch. It lets us know that they appreciate our business, and I appreciate that. And it's always fun when things are wrapped beautifully in tissue paper. Also, lots of fun. I appreciate the special touches. So it came wrapped in plastic just like this. And this is out of the plastic. This is what the items included. Everything needed right there. Beautiful pink. It also comes in other colors. Tells you how to use it. Switch it on. Place it on the mirror or whatever surface. And you have lights to put on your makeup. Pretty cool. I really like the box. Unzipping for the first time. Pamphlet, another little pamphlet. 4 lights. They're wrapped in plastic at this point, but I love the case. I love that it's padded. I love that every light has its own space. This is great for traveling. There's your output right there. Boom, easy flip switch. Bright, as you can tell, and that's just one. Very bright. Very light. The whole case, the whole system, very lightweight. I believe it weighs less than a pound. I'm showing you how it lights up the system right there, using the light to light up everything. Yeah. It's pretty cool. It's a good idea. And I like the brand name on the side of it too. Nice touch. So in the top here, in the mesh zipped pocket, you will find the USB ports, which is really neat because it has, you could plug it in to charge it, all 4 of them at once. I'm going to show you. This is a hard case. Hard case. It's really nice, guys. Pretty good. Pretty good. Really pretty. Again, I love the pink. Pink is my signature color. Okay, so there it is. It's the 4 ports to charge at once, which is just genius. Look at that. Pretty cool. I mean, great. This is what we need. Time savers. We don't have time to plug one in at a time. We got to do them all at once. We got to go. Got things to do. There's a light again. I mean, it's really beautiful. I haven't actually tested this by putting on makeup, but I did test it for you right here. I'm going to show you how you do it. So it comes with this this protective film first. Okay, so we're removing that. These are incredibly sticky. You stick them to a surface. Okay, most people would stick these to a mirror. I'm showing you on my iPad, right? Sticking it right to the iPad. I barely put it on there and it was stuck, let me tell you. Really good sticky material on this. Yeah, super great. So you could put all 4 up and then you could shoot a video with your iPad. You see what I'm saying? And you're going to be lit up. That's why I bought them. I didn't buy them put on makeup, guys. I bought them to shoot videos. So I could be lit up sitting at my desk and go, ooh, I have an idea, and shoot something and be lit up when I'm shooting at 9 o'clock at night or something. I took the sticky film right there and put it back on it because I thought, oh, this is a good idea to keep it really sticky because that is really sticky, you guys. And just so you know how to take it off, you twist and pull and it comes right off. So here is my P.O. box where you can send me absolutely anything you wish. People ask me all the time, so here it is. And thank you for showing your love. like this video. It tells me that you enjoyed my content and you want to see more of it. And please don't forget to subscribe, and you can hit that bell for notification, and it'll send you emails when each video of mine is uploaded. And I hope you do that, because I do hope to see you again here soon. But that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Happy beauty!